I want to take you through this beautiful kitchen design that we did for our client. I want to introduce this beautiful hood fan where we designed a simple hood fan painted the same color as our cabinetry to tie it all in and not introducing so many finishes. And we opted to do a connecting floating shelf from the panel here onto our hood fan on both sides to create that symmetry, and also added this gorgeous brass gold finish sconces over each of the shelves to give that ambient light feeling, moody, where they don't need to turn on their pot lights. And with that, I'm going to take you through the backsplash, because this gorgeous onyx, we wanted our clients to feel like this space is full of luxury, elegant, yet it's so soft. So we opted for this onyx where we use for the countertops the backsplash, and we bring that backsplash up onto the back wall where we have the two floating shelves to add as a wallpaper backdrop, just to have that details going. That's why we did what we did. And to display our clients' cookbooks, also I want to bring your eyes down to this cooktop here. This is a Samsung cooktop. The client wanted to have something that is not bulky or in the way, so we got the Samsung cooktop where it's magnetic. So you have to use a certain cookware for this, or else it will not turn on. And this feature here, it's also kids friendly, because they don't know where to find the pots and pans, so they can't turn on the stove. I wanted to bring you through the cabinetry now. The cabinetry, we decided to go for something where our clients can have a lot of storage for their pots and pans, and spice rack or spice pole with a kitchen cooking utensil drawers. This is the cooking utensil pole where we custom designed this for our client. So when we mix the high and low in our materials and finishes, we decided to go with this IKEA product with our custom millwork to make sure that our clients have enough of everything to store all of their necessities. And on this side is a spice pole. The finishes on the hardware for the cabinetry, we decided to go with something that will patina really, really well over time. So we went with this champagne gold finish. So when we use it more, so when the client uses more, this will patina beautifully. So right now we can see that the colors start to change a little bit. So mixing that with the gold brass works beautifully. And on top of that, because we love mixing metals, so we opted for copper accessories. So there's copper kettle that our client really, really loves. And with that, there's also here the salt and pepper shaker. We love this because it just adds a bit of like that personality. It's unexpected to have copper with champagne gold and brass gold all together. So we love that idea, and our client went with it. So we're super excited with that. Other features that I want to call out in this kitchen is the panel-ready fridge and freezer from Fisher-Paykel. Our clients love the brand as well, so we opted for this fridge and freezer panel-ready from Fisher-Paykel. So the fridge is at the top here, the French door, and then the bottom is the freezer. It's adds such a timeless, clean aesthetic into this galley kitchen. Another panel ready that I want to call out is this dishwasher from Bosch. It is such a beautiful piece. We carried the onyx over onto the other side of the countertop and backsplash. And for the sink, this is a smart sink where we have the different trays for when you're washing anything, you just dry it here, or washing vegetables or cooking utensils. You can dry it here as well, or anything like vegetables, and clean your vegetables in this strainer. The faucets, our client wanted something that is smart as well, so we went with the Blanco faucet in the brush nickel finish. Since they didn't have this one in the gold, like I said, we love mixing metals, so it was okay to mix this finish along with the brass gold and the champagne gold. We also, because they want the filter, water filtration, we went ahead with this Blanco faucet as well to match the sink faucet. There was a pre-existing pantry here before, and we redesigned it and make it into a coffee station because our client loves coffee. So we have this beautiful onyx here, again, carry from the kitchen onto the countertop and the backsplash as well. It works beautifully because it acts as a backdrop to our coffee station. On top of that, we know that our client wants ample storage, so we gave them Apple cabinetry for all the storage, and then also in the lower cabinet we have storage in here, and in this drawer it's basically where they store all of their teas, coffees. So instead of the pantry, the coffee station is a better use of space for our client.